Molefe utshele ikhomishana ukuthi ngaphansi kwesandla sakhe bakwazi ukuqeda ukucinywa kukagesi ngenhloso yokonga iminyaka emithathu. Kodwa kwabuya ukucinywa kukagesi emva kokungena kukaMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa.
Load shedding came back to Eskom after Mr. Cyril Ramaphosa, following the 1 billion rand Nasrec conference, was appointed president of the country. That's when load shedding came back. And after he was appointed president of the country, and he in turn appointed the smooth-talking and dictatorial Pravin Gordhan as Minister of Public Enterprises. The less I say about Pravin Gordhan, the better. As you see, Chairperson, despite his smooth talking, public enterprises are failing, and it appears that they are on a course to be sold to private interests.
Uthi isimo asifice Eskom sasingamphathi neze kahle. Wathola ukuthi okwenziwa inkampani yamalahle iGlencore yayifuna ukuzuza. Uthe umengameli uRamaphosa wayengusihlalo weOptimum ngesikhathi kunezivumelwano zokukhuphula amanani amathani amalahle esuka ku150 iton aya ku530 iton.
Mr. Ramaphosa must have known about what Glencore sought to achieve. He was the chairperson of the company that was bought without a due diligence. He was chairperson when the penalties were imposed. He was still chairperson of Optimum when the unlawful agreement that sought to increase the price of coal from 150 and set aside the penalties was negotiated with certain members of Eskom staff in 2014.
Uthi ikhomishana kungabe iphenya ukuthi kungabe yini ngempela lena ewisa iESKOM njengamanje. Uthi iqiniso lingephikiswa ukuthi uma kungaphenywa kanzulu abantu bangabona likhulu. Ohola ubufakazi ubuze uMolefe ukuthi kungabe uyawazi yini amadodana akwa Gupta, kungabe unawo yini ubudlelwane nabo futhi wawazi nini?
I actually don't know Salim Esa. I've never met him. I don't know what he looks like. I hear about him. The Gupta brothers, I know. And I know all three of them, but the one that I know that I had a lot of interactions with was in fact Mr. AJ Gupta and not his two brothers. And yeah, I know Mr. AJ Gupta. I've been to his house. I've been to their house, and I have been there on numerous occasions to attend family functions, to have private meetings, a lot of times. So I know them. I know them quite well, especially Mr. AJ Gupta.
Isicabo siyaqhubeka.